Hi friends, welcome to Taste with Us. Today we are going to make cabbage keema curry. This recipe is specially made in Muslim homes. You can have it with rice and chapati. It will be really delicious. Let's see how to make this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. In a cooker, add 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon, 200 grams of ground shallots, saute for 2 minutes. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, saute for another 2 minutes. Add quarter kg of mutton keema, saute for 5 minutes until the color of the mutton keema changes. Add 2 chopped tomato and saute. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and mix. Add 1 cup of water. Mix. Cook for 5 whistles. Add quarter kg of chopped cabbage, half cup of chopped carrot, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of fennel powder, 6 slit green chili. Mix. Add 1 cup of water. Boil for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon of garam masala, half cup of ground coconut paste. Add salt and mix. Cook for 2 whistles. Add coriander leaves. Our delicious cabbage keema curry is ready. Give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Taste with Us. Thank you.